In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set 3 times more appointments from the leads that you are generating through real estate chatbots. Alright, so before we dive in and I break down exactly how to set up these chatbots or Facebook Messenger bots or really whatever you want to call them, let's break down what a chatbot actually is and why that actually is going to go through and help you. Now, to best display what a chatbot is, I'm just going to show you guys what it is in action. So this is leveraging Facebook Messenger as your follow-up vehicle. So instead of email marketing or text message marketing, you can do this with Facebook Messenger, which is super convenient because there's a lot of people interacting with Facebook Messenger nowadays, and you can have a back and forth conversation with these chatbots, whereas with email marketing or even text marketing, it's not as automated. And with email marketing, if you think about that, people typically are not going to go through and respond to most of your emails. Now, it's going to happen a lot more with text messaging. However, it's a lot more of a manual process because you have to be the one actually going through and following up with that person. Whereas with a Facebook Messenger bot, you can go through and have a lot of this follow-up done on complete autopilot. So if we take a look at this example right here, we can have this little messenger bot, and I'll show you guys how to create this, how to get to this point here in just a second. But it'll say, hey Jason, glad you saw my post. Is this your first time looking to buy? And then we come in here and we say yes or no. And so this is great information, whether you're a real estate agent or even if you're an LO, of going through and grabbing this information on this lead. So they say yes, basically I'm a first-time home buyer, and it says, okay, great, how soon would you like to purchase your new home? Okay, so from here we can kind of get a time frame of, is this person somebody that we should be really working with and following up with right now, or do we have some time to go through and connect with this person? So let's say I'm coming in, I'm just like, oh, within 4 months, and then we have this automated, okay, do you have an idea where your credit score is? And so I'm like, okay, where is it? Probably 620 or above. And so we're going through and we're having this whole automated conversation happening while you're out at an appointment or an open house, or showing whatever it might be. And then at the end of the day, you can go through all of your Facebook messages and see the responses of all of these new leads that came in, and you can have all this basic groundwork of information without having to go through and manually follow up with every single one of those people. So by the time you actually do follow up with them manually or get on a phone with them, you kind of got a really good idea of where this person is at in their life, so you know which leads are the ones you should really be connecting with. Now, this has traditionally shown that you're able to set a lot more appointments from the leads that you're generating because you're able to have this back and forth conversation with the lead. And so you're not only getting higher quality leads, but you're also able to set a lot more appointments from these leads. Now, also as a free bonus for you guys for watching this video, I'm going to add one of our messenger bot templates that you guys can have 100% for free as a download, and the link to that is down in the description, as well as I will pin that in the top comment as well. So if you guys want one of our messenger bots, we've got a lot of them. We have dozens of different messenger templates like this based on listings, open houses, buyer leads, seller leads, all these different types of ones. But if you want one of our core campaign templates, then you can grab that 100% for free down in the link in the description or in that top comment. So let's really quick break down how to set this up. And before we go in and set it up, I want to show you just kind of the flow of how this all works, right? So right here, this is really the game changer to lead generation, lead follow-up, appointment setting, closing deals, where you want to get this social exposure and then send people from your Facebook or Instagram ad to a landing page to be able to generate that lead. And then we want to be able to go through and have an email and text marketing follow-up. But what we're going to be breaking down and showing you guys today is also how to include a Facebook Messenger bot follow-up as part of your whole follow-up system. So the way this will work is they'll see your Facebook post or your ad or your Instagram post, whatever it might be. They'll click on this, they'll come to a landing page, and then they'll opt in. So really quick, I'll just show you guys. So this is like the landing page right here. Let's say they went and they clicked on a Facebook ad. They'll click on get me the list. They'll type in their name, put in their email address, test@test.com, throw this in. They hit submit at this point, and now they've become a lead in our database, in our CRM. We can have the automated email and text marketing follow-up take place. But then from right here it says, thanks, help me put some homes together for you. Right now, this is where the Facebook Messenger bot really starts to take place, and we can have this all done on complete autopilot. So we just click on find homes for me, and this will take us into Messenger. All right, so now it says, hey, I see you're looking for homes in the blank area. Okay, because that was based off of what the landing page was that we went through and created. That's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms that you're looking for? So I might be coming through and say, like, 3 to 4 bedrooms, and then it goes and takes them through this whole process. Are you first-time home buyer? And so on. So enough of that. You guys have kind of seen how this works. So let's go in and actually set this up. So what we want to do is we want to first go through and create a landing page, right? So we want, before we actually go through and get the bot in place, we want to have a landing page in place so we can grab their name, phone number, and email address, so we can also follow up them in other ways, because nowadays there's just so many ways to follow up with people that we want to make sure that we're able to connect with every single person in the manner of communication that they like most. So whether that's email, texting, Facebook Messenger, phone calls, whatever it is, we want to be available so we can set more appointments and close more deals from those leads that are generated. And if you guys have watched some of our past videos, a landing page is so much more beneficial than sending people to your main website, just because the conversion rates are higher. So you can see 10 to 25 times more leads by sending someone to a landing page as opposed to your main website. Now, that's why we want to go through. If we're running paid advertising, we want to send them to a landing page. So right here in the Arsenal MKG software, and we'll have a free 7-day trial down in the description as well if you want to go through, follow along with this. So we can come over here and create another lead page. Now we've got all these pre-built lead pages here. Now let's say we're going through and creating a buyer leads campaign when we don't have a listing, but we want some buyer leads. So we'll click choose, and then this will take us into the website builder, where we can now edit out the images, the text, everything, and customize it to you and your business, right? So just as a quick example here, it says, welcome to the blank homes under $300,000 list, which all this is pre-built, pre-done. So all you have to do is just come over here, and let's say you are in the Oakland area. Welcome to Oakland homes under $300,000 list. And then we can change out the image here if we want to, but we're not going to do that right now. But where we are going to go through and add this whole Facebook Messenger bot is once they opt in and put in their name, phone number, and email address, they're going to hit what's called a thank you page, which is basically a confirmation page. Okay, so then we say, thanks, check your email for the list of homes I just sent. And then we can say, find more homes for sale here. Now remember from that example I showed you guys last time, is that when they clicked on this, this took them into that Facebook Messenger bot, where we are able to go through and sift and sort through that leads information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to a tool that's called ManyChat, ManyChat.com. So this is a Facebook Messenger bot creation tool, and this is what I use, and is very powerful. It's very simple to go through and set everything up. And so what we're going to do is come over here and click on the growth tools. And we think of this kind of like an email marketing software, where we've got this list of subscribers, and then we can go through and we can blast out a Facebook message instead of an email to all of these subscribers, or we can create different tools to build that subscriber list. So kind of think of about your email list, but this is to be able to grow that list to blast out a Facebook message. Okay, so if we come over here to a new growth tool, and then what we're going to use for this one in particular, when we're having them click out on a thank you page like this, is we want to choose this one that's called the Messenger Ref URL. So we click on this, and then we can give it a name, and we can say, we'll say the test demo messenger. And then right here, this is where we're going to go through and we're going to choose what the messages are actually going to say. And remember, once again, guys, if you guys want that Messenger bot template that we have 100% for free for you guys, there's a link down in the description as well as the top comment pin there, so you guys can go through and grab one of our Messenger templates that you can have and use for your business 100% for free. So if we click on this opt-in message, we'll just click on that. Okay, we'll hit confirm. We want to save things. And then if we look back here at this one template that we've got, it says, hey Jason, I see you're looking for homes in the blank area, so in the Oakland area. That's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms you're looking for? So I can just basically, for this one, just copy this, since this is the post that we're using. So we'll go through, throw this, and then instead of Jason, you want to put in the person's first name and have it automatically populate. Which, to do that, all we have to do is come down here we click on this, we put first name, and then it just auto creates based off of whatever that person's first name is on Facebook. So I see you're looking for homes in the, we'll put Oakland area. That's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms you're looking for? Now from here we can come in here and type in 1 to 2 bedrooms. Done. Add another button. 3 to 4 bedrooms. And then we could even say, hey, 5+ bedrooms, and hit done. And now from here, what I like to do is go into what ManyChat has is called a flow builder. It just makes it a lot easier to go through and manage where we're taking this person. So if we come over here to the flow builder, this kind of takes us to this marketing roadmap where we can go through and say, hey, now after if they click on 1 to 2 bedrooms, we'll take them here and I want to send them another message. Okay, now if we come back over here, we can see, okay, after that, and obviously you can ask whatever questions you want in whatever order, but just to make this simple, I'm going to copy and paste this and I'm going to put it over here. Okay, awesome. Are you a first-time home buyer? And then I could say yes, or maybe they say no, and then hit that. And then once again, so like no matter what they answer right here, it'd be good to know if they're a first-time home buyer. So they could say 1 to 2 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bedroom, 5+. So we'll just send all of these right over here. Now if you wanted to send it to a different one, you could easily send it to a different response. So that's kind of cool because if they say yes right here, you could send them to another message versus if they say no, you can kind of custom tailor each one of those messages to that person. So if they say are you a first-time home buyer? Yes. And then we can say send message, and then let's just check really quick here. Great. How soon are you looking to move? Come back over here, and then basically you can make this go on as long as you want to. However, I usually only like to get about 3 to 5 key pieces of information from that person, because obviously if you're trying to get like 15 to 20 pieces of information from that person right from the get-go, they're gonna kind of get annoyed with you and be like, okay, when is this gonna end? And they're not gonna follow through with everything. However, if we get some key pieces of information that we need to know before talking to this person to save us a lot of time on the phone, or save us a lot of time trying to get in contact with this person, then it's gonna make your life a whole lot easier. Okay, so now at this point, we're gonna come up here and we'll hit publish. And so it says, okay, content published. We'll come back over here to this little growth tool and we'll hit next. And then this is where, okay, we've got to hit save. And then this right here, you see this little URL. We're going to click on this to copy the URL to our clipboard. And this is what we're going to go through and put in our button right here where it says find more homes for sale. Okay, so now we come in here and see how it says the link is google.com right there. We're just going to paste in this link. We'll hit save. It says website saved and published. Now let's go back out and I'm going to show you guys. So exit out of this, and we have got the whole landing page, the bot, everything completely set up. And you can see right here, this automatically created the emails and the text messages for the follow-up as well. So in just a few minutes, you have the landing page set up, you have the thank you page, you have the emails, the text messages, and we even have a Facebook Messenger bot completely set up that you can go through and have a lot better follow-up to set a lot more appointments from the leads that you're generating. So if we click right here, we'll go through, welcome to the Oakland homes under $300,000 list. Get me the list. They come in here, put their name, we'll put email address, and we'll put the phone number. They hit submit. So at this point, they become a lead in your database. You've got their email, their phone number. You can send the email, automated email and text marketing follow-ups. And at this point, like, this is a one-time setup, and then all this follow-up just automatically takes place, and you're automatically notified when new leads come in and also when they respond. Okay, so now they say, thanks, check your email for the list of homes I just sent you. And then they click on find more homes for sale here. Okay, so they click on this, and this takes them right into that messenger bot that we just created. Right, so look at this. So it says, hey Jason, I see you're looking for homes in the Oakland area. That's great. Is there a certain number of bedrooms? So now it just takes them through that exact flow we just created. That's pretty cool, right? So it says, are you first-time home buyer? We'll say no on this one. So then it just kind of walks them through, and like we said, I mean, this is kind of where we stopped. How soon are you looking to move? But you can have all the follow-up options there as well. So guys, that is step-by-step how to go through and create a Facebook Messenger bot to increase the number of appointments that you're setting from the leads that you are generating. So basically, step one is you want to go through and send people from your Facebook or Instagram ad to a landing page instead of a website. Remember, because a landing page is going to convert 10 to 25 times more visitors into leads. And then from there, we're going to go through and use ManyChat, which is the Facebook Messenger bot growth tool that we can go through and set up all of these different tools right here. Okay, so that's it. All you got to do is use Arsenal MKG to be able to go set up a landing page to generate the leads, have the automated email, text marketing follow-up. It syncs into the Arsenal CRM, or if you have another CRM that you love and you just want to use, then you can have it sync in with that CRM and then add in the ManyChat messenger bot here, and you are set, good to go. And then no matter where you're at, if you're at an open house showing, whatever it is, you have all this taking place on autopilot. So when you show up at the end of the night, you can go through all of your leads and see how they're interacting with their business and see which leads you should be connecting with and contacting first. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Once again, if you guys want this messenger bot, I've got this in the link down below in the description, as well as in the top comment, that you guys can go and download that 100% for free. Also, if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we launch new videos every single week on how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your real estate business. All right, so anyway, once again, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let us know what you guys thought, and also what else you are struggling with when it comes to your marketing with your business and lead generation, because we want to be able to help you out with whatever you're struggling with. So anyway, drop a comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.